Get a feel for the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado HD. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.